What is up, everybody? It's Goomer here with a VDL playoff match versus Mega Umbreon. He's got a pretty solid team. I think I've got some interesting tools here to deal with it. We'll see what he brings. We really don't want to see throw. That's kind of the main thing I don't want to see is throw. But if he has throw, I mean, it is what it is. We'll deal with it. And then let's see. He's picking his team. Yeah, Salazzle's interesting too. Because I didn't care too much about it in my prep, so we'll see what happens with it, I guess. Sweet, no throw. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, that's really cool. So I think we are kind of free to go Tornadus Obstagoon first, and then because Landorus has to have Intimidate. And then Mamoswine in the back looks pretty good, like Mamoswine and the Pumpkin. I think they look pretty solid, to be honest. We're not going to bring Meowstic game one. Yeah, I think I like this. We're not going to bring Meowstic Blissey, although Meowstic Blissey do look pretty solid here. Yeah, I really like this. Alright, good luck, have fun to Mega. And let's see what happens here. That's awesome. Okay. Bronzong Clefairy. So he's just making sure Trick Room goes up, basically. So we could Heat Wave to get damage. I'm trying to think who's... I mean, let's see. We definitely bring in the Obstagoon. Or, well, I guess... Let me think about this. I think we Heat Wave to see if it's heat proof. And we switch into the Pumpkin. This is interesting because we just don't want Trick Room up. We want to reverse it. I mean, knockoff could definitely work, but Mental Herb, okay, that's true. I guess we would have knocked off the Eviolite, but Heat Wave is fine here, I think. Clefairy Voids. That's kind of annoying, to be honest. Is that heat? I don't think that's heat proof. I think we Heat Wave and we just Trick Room. We reverse it. So he's got Drudgon in the back. I could have Icy Winded. Okay, cool. So no more Trick Room. I guess we could go for an Icy Wind just to get damage off. And Power Rip the Clefairy, maybe? Does he max? We could Heat Wave again, too. to potentially get a burn. He's just going to go for it, which I think is fine. Hopefully he's not weakness policy. He could be weakness policy, go for the self, like self Moonblast or Draining Kiss with Clefairy. That's not very good damage, actually. We could have maxed Tornadus, actually. Yeah, with Heat Wave damage, we could have been fine. He doesn't like the Gorge Geist. Oh, we survive. Okay, that's actually huge. Oh, he crit me. Wow, Gorge Geist with the defense. Does he protect Clefairy this time? That's the question. I mean, Wormwind is kind of annoying. And I do actually like... Saying up the Hail could be interesting. We could stall this max, though. Yeah, I think I like that. He might protect here. Yeah, he did go for the protect. Okay, that's huge. Oh, that's huge. Oh, I mean, we still survive because of the Wisp. Holy crap, Gorgegeist. You're insane. You're actually insane. Okay, so now... Oh, see, I could have switched in Obstagoon on either one of those. I feel like a Heat Wave power-up should take him out. Maybe he tries to save Clef. And just switch in the Bronzong. He's going to get damage on Tornadus, but I'm not really too concerned about it, to be honest. Helping Hand. Yeah, if we missed the power-up, that would have been bad. Okay, but we hit. That still does a really good amount. Did he crit again? No, that's just a... That's just strong. He does send out the Bronzong. So he could protect Trick Room. I feel like I'm okay with the Heat Wave Will-O-Wisp, actually. Like, if he gets Trick Room up, is that really that bad? I don't think so. I mean, we could lose both our Mons, but... Oh, Landorus. Oh, sweet. We look really good here. We should have Icy Winded, but oh well. We Will-O-Wisp. If we hit this Will-O-Wisp, I mean, I feel like it's kind of game over. Or we could get a burn here, too. He wanted me to call the Trick Room, I think. So he gets Landorus in. I kind of want to knock off Landorus and see what he has. Or I could obstruct, I guess, and lower his defense. Yeah, I think Mammoth Swine. Well, actually, we might want to max the Obstagoon. Actually. I think we're going to want to max the Obstagoon, to be honest. Superpower. He might be scarfed in a Rock Slide. Okay. So now, Mammoth Swine can just kill Landorus. Like, I feel like if we double Landorus, we actually look really good here. Actually, who am I more scared of? No, if I just go for a Max Darkness over here, an Ice Shard here, I mean, he can't really do much about this, I don't think. We just want to be able to get damage off on this Bronzong. Which, if he's Levitate, which I assume he is, Mammoth Swine won't be able to do too much. Okay, so we get the Ice Shard off. And he's not Yachi. I'm so glad I brought Gorgegeist. So he didn't. He saw the Blissey, and I think that scared him about. I think that scared him off. I'm basically just checking to make sure that he's. No, I guess I don't get to see the ability. That's fine. I'm pretty sure he was Levitate. Okay, so we get game one. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like the game plan we went with. The Blissey, I mean, Blissey Meowstic could work, but he didn't bring the special. Like, how does he adjust? You know? And is he Choice Scarf Landorus? How does he adjust? Does he bring... Yeah, I feel like Suicune would look really good there. Maybe this time we bring the Blissey and the Meowstic in the back, to be honest. It's tough, though. Because the Mammoth Swine looks really good. Yeah, I think let's try this. Let's try Blissey Meowstic in the back. I don't know, this could get weird. Suicune, Clefairy. Yeah, we don't have a lot of options for Suicune. So we can go for the Fake Tears Airstream, which could be pretty interesting. But Blissey switching in looks pretty good here. He could go for the Tailwind. I kind of like the Blissey switch in. No, I mean, the Fake Tears Tailwind does look pretty good, though. But I don't want to reveal it quite yet. He's maxing. Who's he going for? I wonder if he doesn't like the Tornadus. I'm really hoping he goes for max, like a Helping Hand max Hailstorm into this Tornadus. Okay, he just goes for Follow Me. Interesting. We knock off the Eviolite. Airstreams. Oh, that is absolutely nothing, though. Interesting. If we keep knockoffing, he can't really do too much. Well, we could... The thing is, we could Icy Wind to actually offset that. Like, I feel like Gunk Shot and Icy Wind are actually pretty good here. I do want to Calm Mind, but I don't actually... I think he might switch in Landorus or something. So if we can catch that... Oh my gosh, this is huge. We could have knocked off the Landorus, I suppose, but... Catching a Life Orb Icy Wind is going to be real nice. And if we survive Suicune's hit, Geyser... Yeah. So if we hit this Gunk Shot, I should have knocked off. I really wanted to knock off, but we hit the Gunk Shot. And we hit the Icy Wind. Oh, is that AV Landorus? So now that his speed is lowered, I think we might be able to get the knockoff off. And if we just knock off Icy Wind, I think we're looking good. Yeah, that makes sense. I should have Gunk Shotted. Oh my gosh, the Obscune lives. That's hilarious. So now if we Gunk Shot the Suicune, if we Gunk Shot the Suicune, if he doesn't follow me, he just gets bopped. Okay, so what if we just knock off again? And we Calm Mind. Oh my gosh, he protects. That's absolutely huge. Weakness policy. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, this Blissey's about to be a tank. I think we're gonna max the Blissey. Because right here we fake out, and then we Calm Mind again, and then we Wonder Room. Could Soft Boiled. Soft Boiled might look kind of nice, but I feel like if we just Calm Mind again, oh my gosh. Oh, he's got Inner Focus. I forgot. Crap. Oh, thank goodness that didn't burn. We were almost in like horrible position. Yeah, let's do this. If he has Bronzong in the back, yeah, he probably doesn't. Let's do that. And going in the Suicune's probably better. But if we just leave Suicune alone, like if we just get rid of the physical attackers, I mean, we just win. Man, he got me there. That's for sure. Oh yeah, I should have gone for the Suicune for sure. Oh my gosh, we almost KO'd through Protect. That's huge. So we can just Hurricane and then just get a double KO after this. And now we can't Hurricane, but we can Icy Wind and just hope it hits. Or actually we can Heat Wave. Heat Wave's probably better. Well, Icy Wind to catch the Landorus. $95 and 95, or 90. Yeah, let's Icy Wind. I think that should take it out. Heat Wave is stronger though. Hold on. 55 versus 95. Yeah, I'd rather do this. Let's hope he doesn't have Tailwind. Oh, I should have Icy Winded so he's slower, actually. Yeah, that's why I definitely should have Icy Winded. Ow, Chihuahua. We might have thrown this. Oh, jeez. Yeah, because I could have maxed Tornadus in the end. And I should have gone for the Suicune the other turn. That was really dumb. I was playing really well up until then. So we Wonder Roomed when we maxed. So we have 3 turns of Wonder Room. Oh, he has Rotom! Oh, that's humongous. Oh, I think we just win. Oh, crap. No, we don't. The Rotom can just bop us. But we have 2 special defense boosts. So, if we max strike the Landorus, I think we have a good shot. Maybe Hailstorm's better. Oh, if he has Fly, we look horrible. Yeah, I didn't think about Fly. I gotta stop blocking into moves. Okay, the Rotom uses Protect, so I don't think that really matters. Oh, but that does nothing. I should have had Protect on Blissey, though. But with 2 special defense boosts, will we live whatever the Rotom's going to throw at us? Yeah, see, the other thing is if I could just protect the Tornadus, to be honest. And then we looked really good. So, does a Leaf Storm, if he's like Life Orb Rotom, which he could be, especially with Protect, we actually don't look that great here. I think we have to Soft Boiled. Special defense is up. I think we have to Soft Boiled. Crap. Oh, we threw that. Oh, we totally threw that. Man. Oh, man. Yeah. Not going for the Suicune and not Icy Winding. I forgot that we needed 2 speed drops to outspeed the Icy Wind. And then also fake outing the Suicune. I mean, we could have just Psychicked. Wow, a lot of misplays that game. A lot of misplays. And, yeah. Yeah, I'm just trying to think of what else we could have done. Maybe going for 2 Calm Minds was also greedy. I should have Soft Boiled, maybe. Okay, I still love the Obstagoon. Yeah, I still like this. We still don't know the Landorus's item, but I'm just trying to think. Who do we go with in the back? Do we do the same thing? I kind of like it. Mamoswine looks pretty good though. Man, do we go with the game 1 strat? For maxing right away, I'm trying to think. In the back, who do we want? Well, we don't really beat Bronzong, which kind of sucks. I feel like I kind of trust the Blissey. This is so risky. Suicune Clefairy again. He could go for the Helping Hand. Okay, so let's. I think a Max Airstream Fake Tears should take out. Yeah, I just clicked into him. Okay, I think we are gonna max right away. Max Airstream Fake Tears. Now, if he goes for the Helping Hand Hailstorm, that could actually get kind of tricky. So either he's slow Suicune or he is not maxing right away. Interesting. He is maxing. Okay, so he's... Because I'm not really that... Oh, no, he's not slow Suicune. I forgot. I'm still faster than him, yeah. I only EV'd to outspeed Landorus. Does he go for the Obstagoon this time? I feel like he goes for the Helping Hand and the Obstagoon. Oh yeah, he goes for the Follow Me. Cool. I think he should. I'm pretty sure we have a really good roll to to take him out here. Yeah, okay. Now we're looking real good. Time to go to town with Tornadus. We just take out every special attacker, or we just take out the other side now, and we just dominate. Yes, and we're super bulky, so even one more of those won't KO. And so now with the speed boost, we guarantee outspeed if he is Scarflandrous. So that did a total of 140. Yeah, no, we're looking really good. So he might bring in someone like, oh, So, I mean, a hailstorm definitely takes him out. And we can, I mean, we could fake tears, or we could just knock off. But knock off in the Suicune at +1 will still do. But we don't. Does he have? I'm trying to think about this. If we double, we could double with an Airstream. Yeah, we just want to stay fast. Oh, a crit. AV. Okay, I thought he was AV. So if he has Rotom in the back again, Blissey looks phenomenal. This is why I'm really glad I didn't use Fake Tears the other games. No way, he just crit. Holy crap. Oh, man. I can't believe he just crit. Wow. He can double me. The thing is, once I get Meowstic, I can get a guaranteed fake out off. Oh, he does have Bronze on. Does he have Ally Switch? So I could fake out and knock off. Yeah. I think if we get this, we're looking good. Okay, so he can't Ally Switch if he has it. Oh, that's huge. That's absolutely huge. He's going for Trick Room. Okay. So if we just knock off again and Psychic, I think if we double that slot, actually, I think Obstagoon's plus 2 speed, yeah. So if we just double that slot with a knockoff and a Psychic, even if he does have Ally Switch, which I don't think he does, but then we take out the Suicune probably. I don't think he has Protect. There's no reason to have Protect on Bronzong. Yeah, Blissey wins this in the end. I don't want to Calm Mind though, because I don't want to risk him like setting up a bunch of Calm Minds, him getting chip on me, and then critting me. like in the rain with Scald, even though I don't think it'll do that much. I just don't want to risk it, so I'm just going to Psychic and try attack. Just get damage off. All right, Blissey takes it. Whoo! Going to the semis. All right. Big game. Big game. Oh man, I know Mega's really good, so that was a tough match. Took me to game 3, and I made some questionable calls game 2, but yeah, he definitely had a scary team, and the fact that he had to run Intimidate on Landorus for Obstune, I think was really helpful. I'm really glad that I went with that, and yeah, GG's to Mega, and we'll see everybody in the semifinals.